In this problem, we're asked to find the number of unique lottery numbers. And we're told that the lottery, you play with the numbers 1 through 49, and you pick 6 with replacement. And that furthermore, the order doesn't matter. So whenever the order doesn't matter, we think about combinations and we avoid permutations because permutations include the order. So this basically is just a counting exercise. And the way that I would attack this problem is to figure out how many combinations there are.